guys, it's your girl Yasmina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine school edition. It's very natural. It's only 3 products I use, so yeah, it's pretty easy. It literally takes 5 minutes to do. If you guys are interested in how I get this makeup look, just keep on watching routine. So this is the makeup look that I'm going to be doing when I go to school. I'm currently a freshman in college, so this is going to be very excited. I'm starting this back to school I'm starting the back to school video. I'm starting the back to school collection videos where like I'm about to be posting a whole bunch of back to school videos. You know what I mean? Man, stop. Okay, hold on guys, let me close my blinds because he's being a bozo. Okay. Oh man, it made my room look so dark now. Man, stop. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So first thing I like to do is hydrate my face. So I go in with this face lotion, Van Eye cream, and I pretty much just hydrate my face. I put a lot of lotion on because if not, my makeup will look very dry and we don't want that. And also my face has been very dry lately, I don't know why. And I need my eyebrows done, dude. And now I'm gonna go in with a Beano sunscreen. It's protect and hydrate, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my fingers. Okay, I'm looking in my mirror right now. Ew, look at me. Ew. Yeah, I'm looking at my mirror right now, so that's why I'm looking this way. I just get a palette and I just fan my face just to dry it off. We're gonna go in with concealer. One of the concealers I'm using today is the Neutrogena. I do it like that and then I just go down a little bit. And I'm gonna get a Fit Me. And now I'm just gonna blend. I just have to mix those 2 concealers because I got a tan. I bought these concealers like in June maybe for prom, and then I got tan. I went on vacation in July and I got a big old fat tan. This used to be very dark on me, and then this was perfect, so I have to put this on and then put the darker, and it ends up working. So yeah, I just blend out like that, and I really just like push it all on my face. Like I put it down here, I go like over my mouth. I just use any extra that's on my face and I just put it down. Literally, I'm using concealer as a foundation. Like, I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not, but that's just what I do, and it works for me. It just gives a very natural look. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the difference. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then the same thing to this side. I'm like very excited for school because not only like am I a college student, I just feel like the way my classes is that I have morning classes, and some people say 8 a.m. are like annoying as shit, but honestly I rather wake up at 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. and go to class and stuff, just because like if I have a class at like 12 or something, I'm gonna sleep all the way to like 11 and then go to class and do homework, then go to work. I feel like all I do is go to school and work. You know what I'm trying to say? Like I don't have no me time. So with that being said, having morning classes, literally all my classes end at 1 o'clock. Monday to Thursday it ends at 1 o'clock, and I have the rest of the day to film, edit, go to work later. So I just have so much more time on my hands. I could take a nap if I like. I don't know. So I'm really happy that I went with morning classes, even though some people really hate them. Hopefully I don't, but I feel like that was the best decision for me. So once it's all blended in, I like to get this setting powder from L'Oreal, and I only do this just to prevent it from like creasing and getting very oily. That setting, I'm gonna go in with my blush. I got it from Ipsy. It's Ofra Blush Chameleon. I'm pushing so hard on it and then I just wipe the excess off, and I just smile and put it on. And I like barely tap my face. Like I have to hold it on here because it's so pigmented. And then I just do it on here. And then I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna basically wipe the powder off. And brush my eyebrows. I need my eyebrows done ASAP. And now my favorite part, this is what makes the whole look, is the eyes. So for my eyes, I just use mascara. So I'll just curl my lip. Ow, I just pinched my eyelid. I use telescopic mascara, of course, because that's the best mascara out here. And I just put it on. I have no technique on putting mascara. I feel like the messier the better, so I be getting a little crazy, not gonna lie. I'm gonna go on with Fenty Cream Lip Gloss. And like I brush my lip gloss just to like soften the edges up. But this is my back to school makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm gonna be posting much more. I'm sorry that like I took a little break and I've been like MIA. So my laptop was down for a little bit. My keyboard broke, so as far as editing, it was very hard to do. But I just got another laptop like yesterday, so I'm back and running, and I'm very happy to be back. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.